Isel Toledo, the epitome of a true Filipina. Miss Ana Marisa Sona, the Eva Fonda of University of San Agustin Chapter. Miss Shell Chu, the mother of nutrition. Dino Padilla, the author of the procedure manual. Francis John de Feria, the author of the medical surgical nursing. The father of preamble. Francis, what would you suggest on the preamble? Belia Marie Geron, the beautiful basic nutrition and diet therapy revised edition author.
20th edition.
Anastasia Geron Tupas, the first chief nurse in the Philippines. Bernadette Bacosa,
Third
valedictorian. Abigail Fernando, daughter of Fernando Poe. First Lady Jacqueline Ibanez, cum laude. Erica Cuenga, the silent sleeper. The class motto. Ano siya kuno? Ana Fonda. Ang babaeng pahinga ng pahinga pero hindi na mamahinga.
Nurse entrepreneur.
Erica Cuenga, the brother of the nurse entrepreneur.
Brother.